Okay. Two's guys, back in Two's HQ, here to record another influencer reaction video for one of our good friends, Mr. Shu Omi. Shu Omi the homie. Shout out Shu. He made a video called The 5 Best Apps to Organize Your Life and Work, parentheses, that aren't Notion and Obsidian. We had no idea that this was coming, but now it's here, and so we're going to react to it. Baller, any opening thoughts?
I love you, Shu.
Also, first time Baller is seeing this video. It's probably my 12th. But I'm still going to react.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Shu. Today, we are talking about tools to help you organize your work and life. A great tool.
All right, so starting with this, love how he got the App Store screenshot that just says organize your life.
Yeah.
That is a good App Store screenshot. Shout out Nino the Goat.
Can make a huge difference. Ever since I found mine, I've been able to get more things done, miss fewer deadlines, and generally feel more in control. So I'm hoping that you can find some of these apps useful too. There are many tools out there, but these are the ones that I personally found most useful, but not many people
I mean, he just keeps showing twos.
know about yet. So, of course you can go with big guys like Notion and Obsidian.
Could go with big
but they can be
guys.
unnecessarily complex or have a steep learning curve. So if you're looking for a simple tool, these apps might be a better fit. Also, I chose these apps not only for their functionality, but also for the fact that they offer both web and mobile applications. Having access to your nodes, tasks, schedule on the go is essential.
Shu, what up with that side menu? That's it. That's a loaded side menu.
All the views.
Every view that Twos offers, he's got it in the side menu. He's ready for it.
Gotta be ready for it.
Whatever the world throws at him.
And these tools have got you covered wherever you are. Okay, having said that, let's get into it. All right, so personally really like is Twos. I tested a few times before and it gets better and better each time. For something that's free, the value it provides is incredible. It's kind of like Google Keep, but much better in my opinion. It has both a web and a mobile app. The mobile app is super quick to open. It takes less than a second, which I...
You know the gif of that kid who's like staring into the fan? He's like, oh. That's me when Twos opens.
Absolutely love. It has the home screen where you have widgets for your daily notes, to-dos, list, bookmarks, and so on. Notion recently added home feature, and it's kind of like that. It is very useful that you get to jump straight into...
Have you seen Notion's home?
It's Twos?
Yeah.
I have not.
You have got to see it.
Yo, Notion, hit us up. We'll take our royalty checks.
Yeah.
Just royalties.
It's ridiculous how close it is.
Hey, I mean,
it literally looks like our default home.
there you go. Hey, Notion. Ivan, I'm talking to you, buddy. We're coming for that ass. Respectfully.
what you want to see. When you need to check your tasks, you can go to your to-do list and see what's due today and what's upcoming. But most of the time, I think you'll be using the daily note. This is a place where you can write anything, not just tasks, but also your...
That was the only thing of the entire video that kind of startled me, is how long it took for him to get from home to daily note. I mean, if you knew about swipe down, it'd be a whole nother conversation.
Well, I think there's just a lot rendered on home, so on de-rendering or unrendering, I think takes a hot second.
Your thoughts, ideas, goals, and so on.
Study Spanish. The dog Shu Omi learning español. Shu Omi, si quieres aprender español un poquito más rápido, nosotros podemos comunicarse. People forget. I mean, look at this. He's got his music tagged. He's writing down that his girlfriend's birthday's coming up.
And how about Two's getting the second spot? We love that. I think he was legitimately testing it, which is great.
cool thing you found on the internet or a photo to keep it on your daily notes. This way you get to manage your bookmarks in this app as well. A cool thing is that you can set a reminder for each thing you create. If there's something you don't want to forget, you can create a reminder for it. It doesn't have to be
Twos for things you don't want to forget.
a to-do, but also for a quote you want to remember or link you want to check later. There are many options like this in tools, such as a focus timer and AI. You can use AI.
Don't bring up the focus timer. Nobody likes the focus timer.
Yes, they do.
I'm just
That one person that joined the community recently was like, that's a deal breaker
I
for
know.
me.
I know. Focus timer, man. It's a cute icon. It's a very cute icon.
Shout out, Nino.
Shout out Baller.
to have
You
it.
like the edit reminder button that I threw in there? Because everyone's always adding new reminders rather than editing the existing reminder.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize.
It's like a hyperlink.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do like that.
Yeah.
Explain something, break down to do, correct grammar, or just tell it whatever you want.
Actually appreciating and enjoying the AI. Very cool. Very cool, Shu.
And if you have a project or something bigger than a to-do, you can make a list that works as a kind of project note. Now you can start writing or collecting.
I mean, look at that. Look at Twos Joe's idea for like a quick list just coming into perfect fruition. He just taps it up. Tanya birthday. He's about to AI it.
Things you need for the project. But something I really like about Twos is how customizable it is. When I went to the
Look at
CFS
that.
for the first time, it overwhelmed me a little bit with all these options. You can customize even the smallest things, which is really cool if you want to build something tailored to your preferences. Now, there are a lot of cool features too, such as review and memories, both of which are my favorite.
Bang!
Let's go, Shu.
Shu likes remembering things. People love remembering things.
But I cannot cover them all in here, so you should check it out yourself. It's free. If you like apps like Google Keep and Notion, I think you might like this one too.
I think you might like this one
Yes.
too. I have one more thought, and then I want to open it up to Baller. My one more thought is, Shu, I know that you have a lot more to say about Twos. I know you like the review and the remember feature. I challenge you to make a full Twos blast down. We'll send you some merch. We'll send you a Happy Tuesday crew. Deal? Shake on it? All right, you're my dog.
Yeah, okay.
Memories Today World.
Memories is
So good.
like
so important.
the dopest feature. Or not the dopest, but one of them. Review is also very cool. So, and there nobody else has those in my perspective. Or from
So do we want to combine
Pomodoro.
all of the things from other tools, or do we want to like sear our own lane in the remembering category? Another slogan that I'm playing with in my old noggin here, my Twos noggin. Perfect your memory. Twos. Perfect your memory.
I really love that he said his favorite things were two of the features that help help people remember things, memories, and review.
Shout out Baller for making review. Review was a sick little feature.
Review is dope.
Baller, any final thoughts for 5 best apps to organize your life and work that aren't Notion or Obsidian, and it just so happens that Twos is number 2?
Very happy about it. Very appreciative of Shu giving us the shout out. Very appreciative of him putting us towards the front. That's super dope. And yeah, we're excited for all the new Twosers that come in here and are enjoying what we're throwing down. Pumped.
I got 2 more shout outs. First one, if you liked this reaction video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment. Go ahead and share it with a friend. And if you are an influencer and you want us to react to your Twos review, give us your best shot, baby, because we'll react. Until next time, Two's out.
Two's out.